Good afternoon, everyone. It's Rachel here, and I'm very late in the evening. It's like 6 o'clock already, and I didn't get in here to do anything today because I've been working on the bits to go with this kit that Steffi did. So he did this when we came back from holidays, and it was just waiting for me to complete the other parts. So I've done that. It's an 8-page journal kit. With Stef's done this with, it's Italian, another Italian kit. So so I'll just show you the pages. They're really, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Really, really gorgeous. So some of our own things in there, some graphics fairy and some other public domain, but I really love what he did here. So these are the journal pages. This I have in my antique documents. I have the original of this. It's amazing. I'll have to show you one day. I'm going to frame them. Or did I already show you? I can't remember. Really love that. And this here was a plan, garden and everything. It's just wonderful. Isn't that a beautiful page too? So and he keeps asking me, have you put up the new kit yet? And I'm like, well, no, I've got to do the other bits. So I thought I'd better get on today. It's taken me all day, and yesterday as well. So that's that. And then I've done the tags. As usual, Steffi prepares the base for me, and then I cover them. The base is just taken from these, so you can easily do those yourself. So then I just decorate them with different elements. So there's old papers and receipts and things like that. So to have ready-made tags. So I'll just show you those quickly. And these are what take me a really long time, but I'm really happy with them. Love the colours. And there's like a lot of variety that can go into any type of journal, really. Like that could go in a travel journal, that could go in anything, like a garden journal, a botanical journal, nature journal, anything that you like. This one here. Love this. Yeah, and then this one. So but quite a bit Italian sort of feeling about. Tried to keep them as Italian feeling as I could. There might be some French things in there, but I try my best to stay on track because I get distracted. So that's the tag thing. I think there's 8 pages in there. And then I've done a 6-page ephemera, and this is what took me a really long time to do. And most of these bits and pieces are my own, except for that sort of thing. It's my own letter, my own photograph. I have these envelopes. They're really small actually. That's probably about the size. I've got them somewhere. I'll have to find them and show you. And that's mine and that's mine. And yeah, so I've tried to use a lot of my own things, maybe except for some of these embellishing bits and pieces. So that's the actual envelope there. So you've got it decorated and plain as well. I have my mother-in-law has that. That's a registry sort of book. And then I have that as well. Not that one. That one's mine, and that's not mine. That's from public domain. There, I have these. These are beautiful. I'm going to frame those. They're really big, and that's a telegram sort of thing. And I have that envelope as well. And I don't want to use them, so I scan them. And then I put some decoration on the envelope, and that's a page that I have. And that's, yeah, one of my letters. I have this gorgeous piece. The gentleman told me that it's incredibly old, probably 15 or 1600s. It's a little devotional sort of piece. And then that's one of my antique lettery sort of things, and then photograph over the top. And I really had fun doing these. It's just that they took me a really long time. These are all my bits and pieces here. As well, and then I've decorated them, so a little bit of fun, and put a little bird on the postcard. And then, oh, I love this. That's another one of my envelopes, this one too. And then I just put a flower on there. I put some pretty antique fabric over the top of that envelope. And here, this is one of my photographs, and it's over one of my antique letters. So that's the ephemera kit. I just thought we needed one of those. We haven't had one of those types for a long time. And they're a lot of fun to play with, and I'm looking forward to cutting these up. My plan was to do the video and also have a craft with me, but the day is gone, and I need to sort of prepare these and get them up. So hopefully I'll get this up before dinner. If not, it's going to go up tomorrow. So I hope you like those. They're a bit of fun, very different. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll definitely be back tomorrow with a video. So see you soon. Bye. Oh, I didn't turn you off. Just a sec.